If you are holding XRP, we have something very urgent to talk about. It looks like XRP is actually bottoming and it is breaking out of this resistance right now. At the very same time, Ripple has announced a $1 billion buyback. I'm going to tell you exactly what price I think this is going to pump XRP to. It's going to be big. We have so much to talk about. If you guys love XRP or cryptos, give this video a thumbs up and make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Now, if you guys want to follow all of my exact trades as I make 7 to 8 figures a year, join my community. You guys can try it today for free. I have 5-star reviews that I just started this platform over on WAP. You guys definitely want to be a part of my VIP tier where you can copy everything that I'm doing. I also teach you guys how to trade on Thursdays, 3 p.m. Eastern. You can access my new trading course that I just launched. It reveals my entire strategy of how to make millions of dollars. But XRP, diving into it, we could see we've been correcting and crashing for quite some time. But if we zoom out here, it looks like XRP is honestly forming support. Based on the candle closes, not this huge wick, you can ignore this huge wick. XRP is holding very strongly in this region here. And the support, the low is 210. So sorry, 220. This looks like XRP is holding this very, very well. And as I just showed you all, we are breaking out of this resistance here, which is a very good indication that something is changing. This sell-off is most likely ending and we are breaking out of it now. Not only that, you take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it has found a bottom. Ethereum looking good. Solana looking good. I mean, everything is looking really, really good. I ended up selling the top and me and my community, we recently bought back in on Friday at the very bottom. Last week on the crash, we did buy the bottom of the crash and we sold at the very top of that pump. And I have gotten back in. So I'm letting you guys know what I'm doing. So I've gotten back in. I haven't gone all the way in completely, but I'm probably going to be adding more size to my position here on XRP. This just looks very, very good. I do see that this support is most likely going to hold, but it really depends on the stock market. I think the stock market, if it can hold up here, that's going to be a good sign that cryptos are likely to bounce probably aggressively. Now, based on a technical level, if the stock market can stabilize, it can hold up here. And if it actually starts to go up, I think that we are probably going to see $3 for XRP very, very soon. And on top of it, we have Ripple. They've announced a $1 billion buyback. This could, just $1 billion buying into XRP with other people buying it at the same time, this could pump us to like $5 or $6. $1 billion has a massive impact on the price of a cryptocurrency like XRP. And, that's pretty exciting to see Ripple. They're starting to buy back their crypto. That is a very bullish sign. That is when a company, you see that in the stock market, they start doing buybacks because they want to get more control of their company shares in the market. And they believe that their share price is going to go up. So they're investing in their own company, which is an extremely bullish thing. And there is a rumor that XRP or Ripple, they're going to be getting their banking license in the US here pretty soon. If that happens, that is going to be very, very bullish for Ripple as a business. And of course, it's going to affect their token XRP. So it's still very early. We are starting to see signs of buying, signs of a bounce. Let's see what happens throughout this week. Are we going to see 264? This is probably going to be the most likely target for this week if things continue to hold up and stabilize. There has been a lot of selling pressure as of late, but the market, despite all of the selling pressure, is still looking very, very good. Bitcoin has also, this is a very important technical note that I want to share with you, is Bitcoin has held the 200 EMA on the daily time frame. This is a very bullish thing and Bitcoin has held this level. So I'm very excited for that. All the things that I'm talking about indicating to us that the market is likely to bounce up this week. So I think we're going to see 265 somewhere in that region for XRP this week. And if we start breaking and holding above 265, then we're going to most likely see $3. And this is going to come quickly. And some other things can come even quicker once we start to break above $3. But let's keep it level to level for now. Again, that buyback is definitely going to trigger some buy pressure for XRP and altcoins. And again, we have rate cuts coming. That's going to be very bullish. And we also have XRP ETF. So there's a lot of bullish catalysts remaining for this year in the fourth quarter for cryptos and XRP, and it is looking extremely good. Now make sure you guys are using my AlgoSniper trading indicator. It will tell you exactly when to sell before every major crash. It will also tell you when to buy. Like you get a buy alert here before this big pump this weekend. You guys can try today for free. If you guys are gonna also be trading cryptocurrencies, make sure you are trading over on Blofin. This is a platform where you can long and short cryptos. I'm currently up $10,000 on my positions that I opened with my community on Friday. But this is a platform that you wanna be doing all of your crypto trading on. The link for everything I'm talking about is in my video description and even in the pinned comment below. If you guys got anything out of this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on. You do not want to miss my next video. And also share this video with at least one friend or family member. It will really help out the channel and it's going to help out the XRP community. You guys have a great night. God bless.